Hello students, today we'll be discussing about organization of sounds. Okay. सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज साउंड. साउंड क्या है? साउंड्स आर वाइब्रेटिंग वेव पैटर्न्स दैट कंटेन acoustic information. The acoustic elements of sounds, frequency, amplitude, duration and quality describe the behavior of the vibration of waves in the air, while musical elements such as pitch, loudness, duration and timbre refer to sounds that are perceived strictly within the brain. Okay. A single sound in air is characterized by its frequency, amplitude, duration and quality. The frequency of a sound is the number of vibration that occurs within a given time and is perceived in the brain as pitch, while the amplitude or magnitude of the vibration is perceived as dynamic intensity or loudness. Duration refers to the interval of time that separates the beginning and ending of a sound wave as it travels through the air and is perceived in the brain as the elapsed time or duration of the sounds. Duration also refers to the overall shape of a sound produced by various secondary vibration that begin and end at different times within a single period of vibration, which is known as an acoustic envelope. Okay. Sound by definition occurs outside the boundary of perception, while music, noise, silence and speech, spoken language utterances reside strictly within the brain. Sounds that we hear exist in the form of molecular wave motion that travel through air. When a sound wave enters the ear, its vibrations are transmitted via the ear to the brain, where they are converted to electrochemical impulses. We experience these vibrations as music, noise or speech. Things that we experience separate from the neurological mechanism that cause them, such as tasting an ice cream cone, viewing or a painting, thinking a thought, reading an explanation of a story, or listening to music are known as cochlear. Okay. Normal sound patterns in air are generated by the acoustic sources within the environment, including human and other animals, musical instruments, and electrical and mechanical devices. A variety of sound sources are capable of creating many different acoustic wave patterns that we experience as music, speech, and noise. Okay. Next, advantage of sound organization. First, enhancement of managerial efficiency. A sound organization brings a proper coordination among various factors of production and leads to their optimum utilization. It avoids confusion, duplication and delays in work. It motivates the worker by proper division of work and labor. It reduces the workload of executive by delegation of authority. यानी कि प्रबंधकीय दक्षता में वृद्धि. एक सुदृढ़ संगठन उत्पादन के विभिन्न कारकों के बीच उचित समन्वय लाता है और इनके इष्टतम उपयोग की ओर ले जाता है. ये भ्रम, दोहराव और काम में देरी से बचाता है. ये कार्य और श्रम के उचित विभाजन द्वारा कार्यकर्ता को प्रेरित करता है. ये प्राधिकरण के प्रतिनिधिमंडल द्वारा अधिकारियों के कार्यभार को भी कम करता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट है specialization. A sound organization structure provides the benefits of specialization. Various activities are allocated among different individuals according to their qualifications, experience and aptitude. It brings job satisfaction and feelings of motivation among employees and increases their efficiency. Systematic organization of activities helps to secure economy and also to minimize cost. Okay. नेक्स्ट है क्रिएटिविटी, इमिटेटिव एंड इनोवेशन। A good organization encourages innovative and creative thinking. Employees are motivated to break new grounds and try unconventional methods. A sound organization of merit followed by financial incentives to the personnel showing creativity. यानी कि रचनात्मकता, पहल और नवाचार। एक अच्छा संगठन पहल और रचनात्मक सोच को प्रोत्साहित करता है। कर्मचारियों को नए आधार तोड़ने और अपरंपरागत तरीकों को प्रयास करने के लिए प्रेरित किया जाता है। एक मजबूत संगठन रचनात्मकता दिखाने वाले कर्मियों को वित्तीय प्रोत्साहन के बाद योग्यता की मान्यता के लिए गुंजाइश प्रदान करता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट है बेटर ह्यूमन रिलेशन। Human beings involved in an organization are only dynamic elements of organization. A dedicated and satisfied group of persons proves an asset to any establishment and organization. Built on sound principles help harmony in human relations. With properly defined authority, responsibility and accountability, different persons enjoy job satisfactions and organization consists of human beings and their यानी कि बेहतर मानवीय संबंध। एक संगठन में शामिल मनुष्य संगठन के केवल गतिशील तत्व हैं। व्यक्तियों का एक समर्पित और संतुष्ट समूह किसी भी प्रतिष्ठान के लिए एक संपत्ति साबित हो सकता है। ठोस सिद्धांतों पर बना एक संगठन मानवीय संबंधों में सामंजस्य स्थापित करने में मदद करता है। उचित रूप से परिभाषित अधिकार, जिम्मेदारी और जवाबदेही के साथ विभिन्न व्यक्ति नौकरी संतुष्टि का आनंद लेते हैं। एक संगठन में मनुष्य होते हैं, उनकी संतुष्टि मानवीय संबंधों को बेहतर बनाने में मदद करती है। नेक्स्ट है प्रॉपर वेटेज टू ऑल एक्टिविटीज। A sound organization divides the entire enterprise into different departments, sections and subsections according to the functions to be performed by them. Each function of an enterprise has got its own importance. Emphasis is given according to their relative importance. Funds and manpower is allocated accordingly. यानी कि सभी गतिविधियों को उचित महत्व देना। असुदृढ़ संगठन पूरे उद्यम को उनके द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्यों के अनुसार विभिन्न विभागों, वर्गों, उपवर्गों में विभाजित करता है। एक उद्यम के प्रत्येक कार्य का अपना महत्व है, उनके सापेक्ष महत्व के अनुसार जोड़ दिया जाता है, उसी के अनुसार धन और जनशक्ति आवंटित की जाती है। उत्पादन जैसे बड़े और महत्वपूर्ण विभागों को अधिक पैसा और जनशक्ति भी दी जाती है। ओके, नेक्स्ट ग्रोथ एक्सपेंशन। Organization provides the framework within which an enterprise can expand and grow. Through organization, management can multiply its strength. Okay. यानी कि विकास, विस्तार और विविधीकरण। संगठन वह ढांचा प्रदान करता है जिसके भीतर एक उद्यम विस्तार और विकास कर सकता है। संगठन के माध्यम से प्रबंधन अपनी ताकत को बढ़ा सकता है। एक अच्छे संगठन में विभिन्न गतिविधियों पर खर्च किया गया धन और प्रयास उसके योगदान के अनुपात में होता है और ये उचित संगठन सेटअप के माध्यम से है। नेक्स्ट, चेक ऑन करप्ट प्रैक्टिसेस। A weak and unsound organization is a source of corruption and Inefficiencies, well organized, well defined, discipline, and sound organization boost the morale and motivation of workers. It develops a feeling of involvement, belongings, devotion, honesty, and sincerity among employees. It prevents corruptions, inefficiencies, and wastage in an enterprise. Okay. Next, a catalog of sounds: loudest, softest, and highest. सबसे पढ़ेंगे loudest. The loudest known sound recorded in modern times was the eruption in 1883 of the volcano Iceland of located in the Dutch East Indies. The volcano erupted with such force that it could be heard in Australia. Next, softest, and the softest sound that can be detected by the human ear occurs in the range of about 0 to 5 decibels, which is equivalent to the sound of air molecules moving inside the mouth of a drinking glass. By definition, the softest sound that can be detected by an acoustic sensor requires a minimum amount of energy which is necessary to produce a vibrating wave motion in a medium. Next, the highest. The highest sounds, known as hypersounds, are generated at frequencies which vibrate at billions of times per second. These microcycles include the oscillation of the tiniest known particles of matter. Okay. Thank you for watching.